I'm Alex Carey. In cricket, you learn early. The right support makes all the difference. When the pressure's on, performance and reliability matters. That's why we trust GoodWe batteries. That means lower electricity bills for our family. With a home that never really slows down, GoodWe helps us use more of our own solar energy. And when the grid goes down, GoodWe helps keep everything running. GoodWe provides instant backup power for the whole home. When the neighbourhood needs a hand, we're ready. Reliable power with advanced safety. You're in safe hands with GoodWe. GoodWe, the power behind the moments that matter.